Hey, this is 2 with 3D Cycle Parts. I just want to show you a quick little video about these KLR650 Shroud inserts. So these go on either side of the KLR on the gas tank on the shrouds. These the original ones that go in these shrouds right here just had kind of a diamond pattern to them. They never were available separately, so the only way to buy these inserts was to buy new shrouds. Those are pretty expensive. It's an expensive way to get those inserts, but a lot of these are even discontinued. So if you've got a bike that has these tank shrouds on it, but you don't have the factory inserts, we've created these reproductions, these aftermarket versions to fit in there. And I'm going to show you just, this is a kind of showing you how these look and / installation video. These things, it's pretty simple to install, but these things are not quite as strong as the originals. This is a 3D printed part we use, using the knowledge that we've gained from reproducing a lot of 3D parts over the last few years. We started doing these a while back, and they do really good. They are really strong, but if you put them in wrong, you could potentially break them really easy. So I started with this one because this is probably the hardest one to do. It's got the smallest end, so it's the tightest down here. And it says on the packaging, and I would highly recommend to follow these directions of start with the smallest end. So I would turn it upside down like this. Start with the small end right here, and then kind of wedge it in place. Start with one of those. Sometimes we want to fit a little better than the other. Get one of them started in place, and then while taking your finger right there, kind of hold that center and then push it up from the other side. And once you get these two, especially on this small pointy one, the other side, you know, is a little wider down on that end. It's a little easier to put in place. This is kind of the hardest one. Once you put that end in without breaking the tabs, you've done pretty well. You've got it. Because down here, you can kind of bend it a little bit in the middle, make it fit. And then, voila, fit just like the factory ones. And then when you're done, you have this nice honeycomb pattern. They fill the spot just like the original one. Same thickness. Look real nice. All right. Thanks for watching. Put a link in the description for these if you need a set for your bike. They're very affordable, so go check those out. Take a look at the website. We have hundreds of products for KLR650, so if there's something else you may need for your bike to keep it going well, or upgrades, maintenance things, so repairs like this for missing parts that you might not be able to buy otherwise, check it out, have a look. If you have any questions, shoot us an email, send us a message on Facebook or Instagram. Be sure to follow us there on those platforms as well. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up down below. If you don't like it, hit that thumbs down 2 times. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get updated for any new videos we have available. Thanks for watching.